Tunggu mikir muni matakan. Kamu nang sabari tadi nonton tadi saya kacau mikir muni. Saya beri bono ni kocin Dawasamu kena. Dawasamu ni muri kemuni saya kacau. Pengono sawo chen me Dawasamu kacau meni kuah. Bapak terkatu kono sotua. Kerana sungguh mereka style mereka orang kalau nak tekan tua. Saya kira nunggu matu wal kita orang kerana bicara. Dawasamu ni itu ngabi kemuni. Saya beri tadi kamu nang usah melabat saya kacau. Anak kamu nang ratu Dawasamu. Kamu nang sama rotu, kosa kan eron na romanda. Kalau orang kemuni sakit rumah takan. Sakit saya kamu salah su. Usah pada mana cukup waktu orang kamu nanga. Aing kalau bisa kan bonua. Kalau bini mata itu, saya sampai saya katu guna bonua. Ini mata itu rumah takan kosa saya tahu katu. Nah. Iya urusaka.
Ya, saya di Gunung nakamna bina, nakamna sa di Bonua, nakamna sa na konturang na ratu, nakamna sa na nonrangase, nakamna sa ni lut, nakamna sa nakinta bagi sa kacukin na ibuelis-lis yung matentu, usang sundo sa kacuk na matakan ni kuan, dami sa kacuk na tunga na komisna, ilikati sa na ibuelis-lis yung matentu, rasalawat sa kacumay. Usang suike mo sa kacuk na mga binuminakan na may mga turang ating sa kacuk na non-raya na may langit sa kacuk na nanda bisotaraki na sigla yung ko na may dambo sa kacuk na kanakamna. Ang nasa kabwale mo na bilangiti, nasa kabwale mo na biwa turang ating. Sangkar sa kailangan inomdaw ka muna kami sulit ka na biwa kalungat ating. Kalungat sa kacuk na Bonua, kalungat sa kacuk na turang balnaratur, kalungat sa kacuk na Rangkase, kalungat sa kacuk na Bingarab ni Lotu. Nangga macam tanjungan ringgara bina, lingi ringgara bina matentu, nonda yo satu nabi lamani.
Mana, hindi na.
Naka. Ya, nembula bata, nimbula.
I'm very glad to be here with you in Natadradave village where you have welcomed the life-changing benefits of clean drinking water. I've opened several water projects throughout the country in recent weeks, and I've been very proud to do so because I believe that access to clean water for our people is absolutely fundamental to our future development and for the prosperity of our people. And because of that commitment, we've opened new taps just like this one, along with massive new water infrastructure projects all across Fiji over the past decade. Under my leadership, we've brought the immeasurable benefits of clean drinking water to over 150,000 Fijians in rural communities. And because of that record, because of my government's leadership, tens of thousands of Fijians in rural pockets of Fiji now know that feeling of joy and security brought by seeing clean water run when they switch on the tap. That same feeling all of you know today. As your Prime Minister, that is what I'm focused on. I'm not focused on the mudslinging we see from politicians in Fiji today. I'm not focused on the personal attacks or the politicking. I'm certainly not focused on dividing Fijians up along ethnic or religious lines. I've kept my focus on development from the very beginning, real development that is making real improvements in the lives of our people. That work is the sacred duty and responsibility of my government as set out by the Fijian Constitution, which mandates that we work to steadily realize universal access to clean drinking water for our people. That's one of the many rights and protections enshrined in the Fijian Constitution. which I know we're all looking forward to recognizing and celebrating at our Constitution Day celebrations next month. Access to clean water is more than a building block of development. It is the rock solid foundation upon which a community can grow and prosper. Every Fijian deserves to live with the security and happiness that only clean water can provide. Water that can be used for drinking, cooking, washing, and keeping ourselves clean. No family should wake up wondering where the water they will need will come from. No family should be forced to make a long, hardest journey in times of drought. And every family should know that clean water is nearby, wherever they need it, and in whatever quantities they require. And I will not rest until that is the reality for every Fijian. We all know that it is often Fijian women who bear the brunt of labor in providing clean water for their families and communities. In the vast majority of cases, Fijian women are the ones traveling to sources of water and who are carrying the heavy loads of water for washing, cooking, and cleaning. It's no coincidence that international organizations and institutions all point to access to clean water as an essential component of women's empowerment, and that is a recognition shared by my government. For those reasons, while this is a victory for every member of your communities, it is a special victory for the women of Natadradave and for your children as well, who can now grow up with the comfort of reliable access to clean water. And we can all thank God that our youngest Fijians here today will never know the struggles born in the past by a community securing water that was safe to drink. Nabito sa kana malnibo sa damay maro to sa chukina na kanandala sa kanawa yung kananda. Nasa wali.